guys, this is Grace and welcome to my channel and welcome to a very quick video. I decided to film myself putting together my new fun foam adhesives. I've had a lot of questions about this in the past, and so I'm just going to kind of walk you through it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out my glue dots adhesive, and this is 8.5 by 11. Now I've looked at the website, and so I don't know if this is something that you can buy but I did show you an option. There's another one that is from another company, and I'll make sure to link that in the description box below so that you can see it. But basically I just use some adhesive sheets, and you have to be very careful with these adhesive sheets because with the name itself, it's a whole sheet of adhesive, so it's very, very sticky. So I'm trying to be really careful not to get my fingers in there and not to get any of the other stuff that's on my table stick on it. And then I just have these leftover foam. I used to do craft camps, summer craft camps for kids, and I have a lot of fun foam, you know, for craft and all of that stuff that we used to do. So I'm just putting that on the layer of adhesive. So basically, the adhesive is on the top of the sheet that I pulled out from its backing, and then there's a paper on the back of it where it has the other side of the double-sided adhesive product. And then I'm putting one a fun foam on one side, and then I'm not going to peel off the other side until I am ready to use that adhesive. That way that I can make a bunch of this and then store them for later use. So I'm just adding my adhesive here. My fun foam on the adhesive, and I'm trying to maximize this whole sheet. So I'm going to cut a little bit of the fun foam and adhere that to the side of the adhesive. Now, in my experience, you don't need a whole lot of adhesive on the foam. You can have the foam not overlap, but you can have extra foam on the edges, and that's fine because you just want a little bit of adhesive, or as you just want adhesive on the foam, but not necessarily to cover the whole foam, if that makes any sense. So that's kind of the plan that I have, and I'm just cutting that up. Now I'm just using some regular scissors here, and I know that the adhesive, once I start cutting this up in little pieces, the adhesive will gunk the scissors, and that's totally fine with me because I just washed my scissors right after this. But I do think that if you were to use some kind of scissors like the Tim Holtz one, the titanium, I believe, I think you won't have that much gunk. But I don't have that kind of scissors. I just have this one, and I'm okay with that. I do make this adhesive kind of in batches, so it's not like I am doing this every single time that I need to create. So I'm totally fine with it gunking this one session, and then I'll just clean up my scissors for when I am ready to create. So the reason why I'm cutting this in little pieces is because if you've watched any of my videos, you know that I create scrapbook layouts and also cards. So I need this to be manageable size for those particular projects. So that's why I'm cutting this. And I don't have a specific size. I just kind of cut it. I cut it in this kind of length, and then I cut it in half so that I'll have that width. And like I said, I don't measure this, and I just cut this. Sometimes I do this when I am watching TV or just kind of, you know, need something to do, but I don't really need to think about it. So that is my tip for when I use my own fun foam to make my foam adhesive. If you have any questions, make sure that you link it in the description box below, and I will catch you guys in another video. Bye.